10 points para kay Steve Thomas. And he extends the lead of Air 21. 12 na po ang lamang ng Air 21.
Darius Rice has to come way outside to get the pass, and he's not even getting the pass.
Ang pilit na ako. Sinito, kailangan pasahan natin na malapit. Ito, malapit na naman. 3 seconds to shoot. And Darius Rice kumanto yung tira niya.
Again, a situation where he had no one to pass to. Talagang yata sila doon sa ilalim ng basket. At nawala pa sa Air 21 ang bola.
Alam mo, dalawang sequence para sa Air 21. Huling dalawa nila. Makasayang na pagkakataon for Air 21. Pero sila pa rin po ang laman dito sa ating laman. Kirby Raymundo. Ho-hum yung kanyang first time. Oh, sumalmalang inabot. Ay, dito naman, susubok. Wala pa rin. Ranidel. Oh, and Marvin Cruz bothered. Up the foot race towards the basket. Darius Rice.
Rice really wants to score, huh? Teka ba kung hindi siya ng pagkakataon. Oh, hindi. They don't give him free throws. And Ranidel de Ocampo continues to play him hard.
Yun, oh. Oh. Roger Yap attack using the baseline. Yes.
Alam mo, partner, si Darius Rice is waiting for the ball. He's way out in the corners. And he likes to attack from the outside. Either that or take a shot from way out in the perimeter.
Pero ano, pangatlong foul. Itinawag kay Marvin Cruz.
Kaya hindi siya masyado napapasahan, no? Because he's too far. He's too far away.
Ito nakakuha siya ng offensive rebound. Another opportunity. Finding this a field. Here's Enrico. Wala pa rin.
Hindi naman natin maaasahan si Steven Thomas.
Ranidel to Homer Said.
And Homer Said very quietly, meron ng 14 puntos, ha?
At recipient nito si Homer Said. Napakaganda mga pasa. Wala dito sa kanya mga kapit. Kundi kay Marvin Cruz. Galing kay Ranidel that time. Ito. So ito. 21 pa rin ang namuhunan dito sa laban ng David Santos.
O, sabi siguro ni Darius Rice, okay lang kung hindi ka mag-score, pero uubusin ko naman ang mga player kasi 21 sa fouls. Oh, there you go.
Ito si Darius Rice.
Boy, he needed that to boost his confidence.
Pietras mula kay Darius Rice, 10 points for Darius Rice. Sabi mo nga, sinabi yan, take charge. At, Steve Thomas losing it. Yes, Brookwoods tumatakbo. Kirby Raymundo, Dipsino, papasok. Kalera kaya ang 21 dito. 11 points para kay Kirby Raymundo. Marvin Cruz, siya pa rin po ang nagtitimon para sa Air 21. And Steve Thomas against Enrico Villanueva.
Ito si Villanueva sacrificing his body in playing defense against Thomas.
6'9" versus a 6'6" na Enrico.
Bigat-bigat sa trabaho.
Samantala dito, magandang vision, Marvin Cruz. Okay.
Oh, they call the
Flagrant foul.
Oh, I thought they were taking
Roger Yab na kinagwestiyon ni Roger Yab.
Parang sinasabi ng referee that he didn't go for the ball. It's a flagrant one.
Flagrant foul, penalty 1 on Roger Yab. That's his first foul.
Balikan po natin ito, ha? There's Marvin Cruz with a nice pick. Kumagat daw si Roger Yab.
He took a swipe at him, eh. Kasi nung nakadaan na si Marvin Cruz after he did on the fake. Wala siya tinamaan doon, but the fact that he tried. His swipe, hindi siya natawagan. Flagrant one. Okay, so free throws, tapos possession. Again, yung backward combination ni Coach Bob Perasol, that's very unique. 2-point guards, Arboleda and Marvin Cruz. And of course, si Arboleda ginagamit din as a defender against James Yap.
Ito si Homer Sen.
He put the ball on the floor. It's a high dribble.
But Kirby Raimundo. James Yap left open! Yes! Kaya press mula kay James Yap.
Yan ang hinihintay ng mga Pure Foods fans.
Magbabayad ka pag iniwan mo libre dito si James Yap. 12 points para kay James Yap. The lead of Air 21 down to 6. 4 poste ulit si Steve Thomas. They want to Steve Thomas. He gets his own miss. At ito parang kinakaya-kaya niya si Enrico dito, ha?
Grabe ang katawan nito. The way he moved in, muscled in rather, no? To get position for that offensive rebound.
12 points para kay Steve Thomas. Darius Rice. Susubok ulit. Darius Rice. From deep left. Wala pa rin. Dalawang mintisyon mula dito kay Rice.
Ano ba ang problema kay Darius Rice? Doesn't take his shots from the outside.
Again, another no-look pass.
Ito si Steven Thomas. Again, clearing the offensive boards. Ang sinasabi ko about Darius Rice, he takes too many shots from the outside. Hindi siya nakakapwesto for the possible offensive rebound. Kulang na kulang sa rebounding help of Pure Foods.
The very livid Coach Ryan Gregorio. Talagang Rice is complained. Dito mga kaibigan, meron po tayong timeout dito. 10-point lead para sa Air 21. Laban sa Pure Foods, DJ Jaya. Sa puntong ito, 10-point lead para po dito sa Air 21. 65-55. Talagang well, kanina po, natawagan po ng technical ito si Coach Ryan Gregorio for excessive complaining. At itong punta muli natin si Marga Vargas. May report naman tungkol kay James Yap. Marga?
Oo nga, tila nga, ganadong-ganado na talaga itong si James Yap dahil nandito pala at nanonood ang kanyang sister and at si Kathleen at ang cousin niyang si Emmy straight from Bacolod at dito daw sila ngayon magsa-summer vacation at para makasama itong si James. Kaya naman pala medyo na-inspire itong si James sa mga laro niya ngayon. Back to you guys.
Ayun, pero ito, nagpunta si James Yap. Binabati natin mga taga-Escalante Negros. At yun po yung kapatid ni James, yun nasa kawing kanan nyo. Si Kathleen at si Emmy Beth, yun naman nasa kaliwa. At yun ang pinsa naman ni James. So, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa pagkabakasyon dito sa Maynila. Alright, 11-point lead para sa A21. 5.5 to play sa ating third quarter. And in this quarter, mukhang hindi makagawa ng headway ang Pure Foods dito.
Oh, that's right. Picture perfect pass.
Kaya magmagaling ni Enrico doon.
Oo. Ito, meron 3-point play opportunity para sa kanya. Third personal foul now on Thomas.
Look at this. Ayun, si Enrico, pagsambot na pagsambot. Shoot na agad.
Nag-high five naman si Darius Rice. Ito, may pressure in the backcourt ngayon ng Pure Foods.
Junior Boleta. Go to Steven Thomas. This family call on Steve Thomas.
That's good defense again by Villanueva. Yung sinasabi natin na pressure in the backcourt by Pure Foods, they're not really looking to force the turnover because they're not trapping. They're just putting some pressure. And that means their reason is to just delay the execution ng half-court ng Air 21, especially delaying the entry pass for Steve Thomas. Ay, sa foul of Thomas, that's number 4. Aksidente na yun. 3 things go.
Yes.
Bibigyan natin ng technical.
Dito si Steve Thomas.
Ito, tingnan natin.
Ito ba? Ayun, at tuloy bigyan niya dito si
Steve Thomas. His foot. Ewan ko lang kung aksidente yun o hindi, but ayun ang yun ang cause, tapos may effect. Pagsak, si Glenete.
Ito pa, nadagdagan pa yung effect na siya mo kanina pagkat
si Coach Bob Perasol ang nabigyan ng technical foul. Ang dami na natin technical foul nakita dito kasi Darius Rice has 1. Bo Perasol has 1.
Coach
Si Ryan
Ryan.
Gregorio may